dear son.
Hi, Mom.
Oh. Right next.
I am going to Reggie's house.
Are you taking that?
No, of course not. Why? How can you sleep there? It'll be okay. I like sleeping with a little teddy bear. Maybe I don't like sleeping without my teddy bear.
Hello, son. Are you going to Mama to Reggie's house to play? Are you taking your teddy bear? I think you should take him.
No.
He won't laugh.
He won't laugh.
I'm sure he has a teddy bear too.
He laughed.
He won't laugh.
He won't laugh.
Hello.
Okay. Next day.
Hi, Reggie. Hi. When you're going to my house, we have fun. What are we going to do? I think maybe you can tell me a ghost story. I don't know any ghost story. No. then think about one. Ghost story. Yes. Okay. Bye. Bye.
Oh, in 1 hour we're gonna go to sleep without you. I'm so sad.
This way.
Okay.
I'm so sad. So sad.
About 1 hour.
Okay then. Hey, here's your teddy bear. Wait with you. Oh. Hey, good night. Good night.
Sleep tight.
Good night.
Bye. Now we are going to play. What are we going to play? I don't know. But maybe you can tell me anecdotes. I have one.
Bedtime.
Now.
Now. Sleep tight.
Want to go to sleep. I don't too. But you say that you tell me a ghost story. I don't know any ghost story. I tell you one. Once there was this ghost who lived in a big dark house, and every night this ghost said, "Ooh, ooh," like that. Like ghost story. I'm gonna take one. Not think. My teddy bear. Yes, it's my teddy bear. What is your teddy bear name? You won't laugh. No. Fufu. Go now. Something.
What are you doing here?
I came to take my teddy bear.
Oh, great.
Stop, stop. Reggie will laugh.
He won't laugh.
We won't laugh.
I have a teddy bear too. Do you want to know his name? Reggie. Reggie.
Oh, you are looking here very nice. Iris' mom, Katarina Emilia Coelho.